Hello, good afternoon. My name is Alejandra Jimenez, student University Iberoamericana, English 5. Present continuo. My family is the name of my dad is Gustavo Pinilla, and he is eating his favorite food. The name of my mom is Fanny Retavisca, and she is preparing a delicious dessert. The name of my sister is Valentina Pinilla, and she is exercising in the park. The name of my older sister is Natalia Jimenez, and she is reading a book. The name of my son is Matias Zapata, and he is playing soccer with his friends. Thanks. Bye bye.